Hey guys, Mr. Lee here. I'm going to talk a little bit about how to use choosemyplate.gov website. As you're doing your online work and whatnot, you can learn how to navigate this website. So right here, there's a couple things that you can use. There's resources, which are quizzes, some pictures, all that stuff, a little meal plan. But what you're going to be looking at is what is my plate. So click on that and it'll load and it will bring you to teach you what my plate is. So my plate here is a type of nutritional eating type plan. What it does is it breaks it down into a plate size. So like if you go up during a buffet and take a plate with you, this is what your plate should look like. As you can tell, some sizes are bigger, some sizes are smaller. This is to tell you that you need more of a certain type of food group. So with my plate, you have 5 food groups: fruits, grains, vegetables, protein, and dairy, with vegetables and grains being the largest of the serving sizes or largest triangles of the picture to tell you that you need the most of that. But what if you want some examples of foods that are healthy to eat in those categories? Well, go back to the website, scroll up to eat healthy, click, and let's click on fruits first. Then what happens is it'll bring you to the fruit page. Okay. So it'll tell you what are fruits. Fruits are either any fruit or 100% fruit juices. It'll tell you how much fruit you need to have, such as 1 to 2 cups a day, and people who are physically active may need more. And also, it tells you what counts as a cup of fruit. In general, 1 cup of fruit or 100% fruit juice or 1/2 cup of dried fruit can be considered 1 cup from the fruit group. As you can tell here, it gives you examples such as apples, applesauce, bananas, gives you the amount that counts as 1 serving, and also half serving. So you can see all of those. Okay. Let's do one more for example for you guys. Click Eat Healthy, click on Grains. It'll load up the grain site. So it tells you what are grains. Well, grains are wheat, rice, oats, cornmeal, barley, or any other cereal grain. Bread, pasta, breakfast cereal, grits, which is like oatmeal, tortillas, and other foods such as popcorn, rice, and oatmeal are in the grains group. Now, for grains, you can have whole grains, which is your whole grain bread, or you can have refined grains, which are white bread. And we'll kind of talk more about that in class. You need the most amount of grains in your diet. Here are the daily grain tables. It talks about how children, they need a little bit less grains compared to adults. Okay. Gives you examples of grains such as bagels, biscuits, breads, cornbread, crackers, English muffins, oatmeals, pancakes, popcorn, rice, tortillas, pasta, or spaghetti. Gives you how much you need, and also talks about like that stuff too. So go ahead and take a look at that and use this information to complete your assignment.